What's up guys, Shane Stars here. Today we're going to be taking a look at Soundcore's first ever open-ear earbuds. These are the Aerofit Pro. These deliver tons of bass and a super comfortable fit at an affordable price. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at these new headphones. Big shout outs to Soundcore for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get these out of the box and see what all we are working with. Right up top, we've got our quick start guide, just showing you how to get these connected to the phone with QR codes to download the app. So these come with a neck band for added stability. There's a lot of open ear earbuds out there, but this is the first set that I've seen to come with a detachable neck band. And then we have the Aerofit Pro and charging case. All right, there's your charging case. Press the button and there are the Aerofit Pro. On the bottom here, we do have a USB-C port. And I also really like this indicator light on the front as well. Not sure if you can see it there, but it's just kind of breathing, letting you know that the earbuds are charging. If we keep digging here, we've got a charge cable. So it looks like they've included a USB-A to USB-C charge cable and more reading material. This appears to be a full manual. Here's a closer look at the actual earbuds. I love the fact that they put this big note here to remove. You won't be able to pair these to your device without removing that, and that's sometimes confusing if you don't know that there's stickers there that have to be removed. Let's go ahead and get these connected to the device. So we'll open up the case, make sure that you do remove the stickers that say remove. If you don't see that the lights are blinking, press and hold this button on the case for 3 seconds, and we'll just launch into our Bluetooth settings. All right, so you should see it pop up, Soundcore Aerofit Pro. We'll go ahead and connect to those, and we will pair. Okay, and we are connected, as simple as that. Okay, now those are showing up in the Soundcore app, so go ahead and connect to those. All right, and we're good to go. The first thing that really stands out about the Aerofit Pro is just how comfortable they are. I can wear these all day long without experiencing any ear fatigue. With traditional earbuds that you have to shove into your ears, usually those become uncomfortable after just a couple hours of use, but that's not the case with the Aerofit Pro. These are covered in a soft touch material, so they're super comfortable on your skin. While these do deliver superior comfort like bone conduction headphones, these sound much better than bone conduction because the air conduction technology delivers a richer, fuller sound. I found these most useful for when I'm being active or exercising, especially when I'm going on my walks in the morning. The open ear design means that I can listen to the music and podcasts that I love while still being aware of my surroundings. The ear hook here has an ergonomic design with a 0.7 millimeter thick aerospace grade titanium wire, which is able to bend for a perfect adaptive fit to any ear. I thought it was notable that the wire has been tested and is capable of over 5,000 bends, so you know that it's going to hold its flexibility over time. And while these were secure enough for me during my activity, these add a bit of extra security with a detachable neck band. If your workout regimen is more extreme than mine, then you're gonna love that feature. When I'm considering headphones, the number one thing that I'm concerned about is the sound quality. It doesn't really matter how comfortable they are or how long the battery lasts if they don't sound good, and the Aerofit Pro sound amazing. They include a 16.2 millimeter oversized driver, which delivers full, rich, deep sound and thumping bass. I think that's one thing that really stands out here is if you do love bass in your music, then this certainly delivers. And whether I was listening to Lecrae or Green Day or Little Third Eye Blind, these sounded amazing no matter what genre I listened to. Even though these have an open ear design, you're still gonna be able to maintain a level of privacy, especially when you're at medium or lower volumes. I did find that when I maxed out the volume, people could hear a little bit of what I was listening to. These are designed for the precise redirection of sound waves into your ear canal for minimal sound leakage and ultimate bass. These even include true 360 spatial audio with multiple sensors for dynamic head tracking. This spatial audio experience here is truly immersive, especially when I was watching movies. It felt like I was in a theater with surround sound, or if you're listening to music, it sounds like you're in the middle of a concert hall surrounded by instruments and vocals. Other notable features include Bluetooth 5.3. I was able to put these on and leave my cell phone in my office and walk into every single room in my house, even outside of my house, and maintain connection. That means if you're going on a run, you don't have to worry about your phone losing connection with your headphones. You're gonna get a great solid connection with Bluetooth 5.3. These also include IPX5 water resistance, so if you do get caught up in a rainstorm, or if you get a little sweaty during your workout, these won't be harmed. Battery life on these is also amazing. You're gonna get up to 14 hours of playback time, or 46 hours of playback time with the case. And with just 10 minutes of quick charging in the case, you get an additional 5.5 hours of playback time. Also wanted to make you aware of the Aerofit. This is a cost-effective option for everyday use. It includes features like bass up, sweat guard, and has a playback time of 11 hours and 42 hours with the case. These also have an ultra lightweight open ear design, so it's gonna help you to stay aware while you're working out or being active. I'll be sure to include links to both of these products in the description below. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.